Hi, I'm David Kaminow. For today's 2-Minute Tuesday, I wanted to talk a little bit about contracts generally. And there's a little bit of a quiz in today's 2-Minute Tuesday. I want to give you two different hypotheticals and think to yourself which one of these is a binding contract. In the first hypothetical, your dear Aunt Sally decides that because she's so fond of you, she wants to give you $500 next week. And you say, Aunt Sally, that's great. I really appreciate it. Can you put it in writing for me? And so Aunt Sally says, fine. She writes up a very formal contract. She has it notarized. She has a witness. She signs it herself. And you're all set to go. In the second hypothetical, you're at a bar with a friend. And your friend says, hey, I'm running a little low on cash right now. If you buy me a beer today, I'll happily pay you $10 tomorrow. And the question is, which of these hypotheticals is a binding contract in the state of Maryland? And the answer may surprise you. It's actually the situation in the bar with your friend. And the reason why is that in order to be a binding contract in Maryland, both parties to the contract must get some benefit. A contract to give a gift is not enforceable under most circumstances in the state of Maryland. The other thing to take away from this is that a contract does not need to be in writing to be validly enforceable. That's critical. I have many people who call me and they say, David, I had this agreement, but I know there's nothing I can do about it because we didn't get anything in writing. And the answer is that frequently that's not the case. Frequently we can try to enforce that agreement because frequently there's an oral contract, both sides have gotten some benefit from the contract, and one side has complied with his or her obligations under the contract. The law allows us to try to make that other side comply with his or her obligations. I'm David Kaminow. I hope you enjoyed today's 2-Minute Tuesday. If you have any questions about any contracts, please give me a call.